How to set up win-back automation. Using the left side menu, navigate to the automation page. When you're enabling the win-back feature, you're basically saying that if a client has a canceled or a no-show appointment in the past but does not have an upcoming appointment, then they will receive a notification to schedule their next appointment. We're going to enable the feature using the blue button and click the edit button to change the settings. You'll notice email has been already selected for you, but we're going to also select the text notification channel as well. We're going to then change the duration. So over here, we're going to select 2 days. So if that means if a client has canceled or no-showed an appointment, and if the client does not have an upcoming appointment, they will receive a notification to book another appointment 2 days after their last cancellation of the previous appointment. So we're going to also add a custom note. This will get added to all emails, and we're going to save. And then we'll move on to the preview tab, which will show an example of the selected channels, which for us is both text and email. That means we'll see both. Keep in mind that the email has a booking link, making it easy for clients to schedule their next appointment. You'll also be able to disable the setting using the top right disable button.
Please contact us at support@yocale.com or use the chat symbol for more help.